Hi everybody, I want to go over the details of this help page, and this page was designed to just give you a bunch of links and connections. Let's jump to that page right now. However, the first line, of course, for getting help is to, if you're in class with me, ask me. Just get me to come over and give you that help. Or if you're outside of class, you can always email me. But there are other ways you can get in contact with me as well, through video conferencing and things like that. But this page is also a repository or a collection of a bunch of links of things that you can get help with. So if you're in the 20S course, it would focus on some software stuff about Visual Studio. If you're in the 30 or the 40S course, there'll also be some software help and advice for working with Java software. But in addition, there's other things you can find on this page. So for example, you can get help on handing work in, or how to get started on assignments, or if you're having trouble with assignments, or advice on different types of working from home. Then there's a bunch of links to just some general stuff for your course, like hand in, hand back discussion forums, your current marks, all kinds of little resources there that you can connect to. Speaking of which, there's also a link to the resources page, which you're going to find a lot of the same material as well, but it's also set up specifically for just resources in general. At the bottom of each page, you're also going to find some specific help, again, depending on the grade. So if you're in grade 10, each unit will give you some hints and whatever first or second example that we did in class there for you to help you get through the programming problems. By the end of the course, there's a video explaining the final project and a bunch of sample final project examples that you can look through at your own pace. If you're in the 30 or 40S course, then the help you'll get there are links to code repositories with some suggested things you can do to work through lots of different types of problems in that. And it's at the level that you might be studying at. So if you've only studied the methods unit, then looking at that will only give you code that deals with stuff that involves methods and not things beyond that. And then it goes up from there, obviously, to things like final project examples and more videos explaining it. Nonetheless, if any of that is confusing on these help pages, then just email me or come see me and I can give you help on how to use the help page. All right, let's go.